Sawadee good afternoon. Greeting from my kitchen. Today I feel like cooking. I'm so surprised myself. But the reason that I feel like cooking is just because today I went to the market nearby my house and I see some kind of vegetable and a flower and I feel like how it tastes like because I never tried to eat before in a whole my life. Do you believe me? And a vegetable and a flower that I want to try today is this one. Look. This kind of thing is a flower and in Thai it's called Dok Chom Chan. Dok Chom Chan. And in English, do you believe me? I just searched on internet. It's called a tropical it's called a tropical morning glory. And you probably know like we have so many type of morning glory, but this kind of things for Thai people, we eat it. So I just wonder like how to cook it and how Thai people make it. So I Google it. Oh my god. It's so embarrassing. I Google it and I feel like today I'm going to cook. And I feel like today I want to cook a tropical morning glory with oyster sauce. So please wish me luck. I can eat it.
Before we start to cook, let's get to know about this flower first. They say this flower when you eat it and it's very good for the digester and it has a lot of vitamins, and when you eat it it's very relaxing and they say it's good for sleeping. And you can cook stir fry like what I'm doing, or making curry, deep fry like a tempura, or roll, or boil it and eat with Thai shrimp paste.
Oh my god, it's so hot. And this is what I did.
Well, I know that it doesn't look the best because I don't use oil. I only use water because I eat clean food.
Now I think you want to know how it tastes like, right? Me too. It's my first time eating this kind of flowers. I'm so excited. It's a little bit spicy from the chili that I put in because I just want to feel some little spice in my mouth, but I don't want too much spicy, so that's why I put some chilies in. But you do not have to put it in if you don't want to. And it tastes like a morning curry, I think. It's just because of it's a flowers, but if you have ever tried regular morning glory, I think it's not quite different taste. So if you want to try to cook it, just try it. And I want to have lunch now. I'm so hungry.
Well, I hope you guys enjoy my video, and please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notification. And if you have any question or interested to know anything about my country, please welcome to write a comment below. And until next time, สวัสดีค่ะ